In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your WhatsApp channel message once you have published it. So if you want to make some changes on your message that you have published or sent on your WhatsApp challenge, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I'm on my WhatsApp channel here, and I'll just go ahead and type a message, hello, and then send this message. As you can see, this message is wrongly spelled. I wanted to type hello everyone, but as you can see, it is wrongly spelled. So I'll wish to make some changes by editing it. To do this, just long press on your message, and now you should see this line on top here. Go ahead and tap on it for more options and click on edit. From here, you can now make changes on this. So I'll wish to make a correction. So I'll add an O there and then confirm the change here. And I'm told this update was edited for everyone in this channel on the latest version of WhatsApp. Now confirm by tapping on OK here. And now you can see the changes have taken effect with a notification that this is an edited message. However, you have to note that in most cases, you can only edit a message some few minutes after publishing it. So that's how you can edit your messages on your WhatsApp channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.